Hey everyone, in this guide I'll show you how to share a chat in Dola AI in 2026, step by step, so you can easily send conversations to your team, clients, or friends. First, log into your Dola AI account using your browser or desktop app. Once you're inside your dashboard, open the specific chat conversation that you want to share. Make sure you review the messages first and remove anything private or sensitive before sending it to others. Next, look for a share option within the chat window. This is usually located near the top corner of the conversation, often represented by a share icon or three-dot menu. Click on it to open the sharing options. If Dola AI provides a public link feature, select Generate Link or Copy Link. The system will create a shareable URL that you can send through email, messaging apps, or social media. Anyone with the link will be able to view the conversation depending on the privacy settings. Some versions may also allow you to export the chat as a PDF or text file. In that case, choose the export option, download the file, and attach it wherever needed. After sharing, double-check the access permissions to ensure only the intended audience can view the conversation. This helps protect your data and maintain privacy. And yeah, that's it. Sharing a chat in Dola AI in 2026 is simple once you know where to find the share options. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful guides.